7-day weekend, Southern style. The style and grace that is the South is reflected in one great beer, Michelob. That smooth and mellow taste has its own special way of saying, y'all come back and see us anytime.
There's nothing better on a rainy night in Georgia.
Put a little weekend in your week.
Yeah.
The offenders. Smelly work shoes, sweaty sneakers, especially boots and...
Me? Impossible.
Not you. It's the shoes. Feet perspire and cause odor, so shoes need odor eaters. Comfortable foam insoles loaded with activated charcoal absorb perspiration and destroy odor for 3 months.
Me, foot odor? Never again.
Regular odor eaters in white or brown or Super Toughs for sport and work shoes.
What you want in a 4x4 truck is ground clearance at the critical point, the differential. If these bowling balls were rocks, they wouldn't clear the differential on this 4x4, or this one, or this one. But they clear the Datsun with the highest minimum ground clearance of any compact. Yeah. Datsun wins the clearance bowl. Datsun 4x4.
From customer to another, we are driven.
Once again, let me reiterate that on this
I'm hungry. You got like freedom.
And it's right around the corner at your 7-Eleven. Freedom's waiting for you. Woo! Freedom! Freedom from the hassle, freedom! Freedom from delay at your 7-Eleven. Freedom's waiting.
As I was saying...
America likes the freedom of 7-Eleven.
Wendy's would like to announce you can still win lots of great prizes playing Wendy's Holiday Spree Game. Lots of delicious food, and most importantly, after you've paid all the bills for a great holiday, you can still win lots and lots and lots of money in Wendy's Holiday Spree Game. I think we won!
No, it's not. Wendy's ain't no reason to go anyplace else.
Want to make fixing dinner a lot easier after a busy day? Bag it with Reynolds oven cooking bags. They make cooking easier. When you bag it, your oven stays clean, and meat actually cooks faster. Comes out tender and moist. Dread that baked-on mess? Bag it. No messy cleanup. Easier cooking and easier cleanup. Isn't that what you want? Bag it with Reynolds oven cooking bags.
Levitz Furniture Showrooms just received this communication from their corporate office. Current inventories are at an all-time high. It is imperative you take all steps necessary to reduce your inventory immediately. Well, we've taken those steps and put together the greatest inventory reduction sale in our history. Prices have been slashed throughout our showroom and warehouse. You haven't seen prices like this in years. If you like to save money, you'll love Levitt's multi-million-dollar inventory reduction sale going on now.
Thursday at 8, a kidnapping ignites a war between two rival gangs, and the men in the middle are a tough New York cop and a private detective named Shaft.
All I'm asking you is to let me know what's going on. No names, no places, just what?
The cops want him to talk. The mob wants him dead. Richard Roundtree is Shaft, featuring the Academy Award-winning music of Isaac Hayes. Thursday at 8 on TV 12.
Can you do this? This? And this? Then you've got the skills it takes to put in the kitchen you've always dreamed of, to build a deck for outdoor fun, even expand your home with extra living space. Yes, with your basic skills, Time Life Book's Home Repair and Improvement series can show you how to tackle projects all around your home with confidence. Nobody explains things the way Time Life Books does. You see exactly what to do step by step. Minor repairs and major renovations. You can do it yourself and save hundreds, even thousands of dollars. There's no first-time fumbling when Home Repair and Improvement shows you how. How to install a new electrical outlet for extra convenience. How to open up a wall. Put in a window and let the sun shine in. And dozens of other shortcuts the experts use to save time and money. Whatever the project, we never leave you in the dark. Put home repair and improvement to work right now in your home. Try out the introductory volume, Plumbing, for 15 days free. You must be completely satisfied or send it back. Keep it and pay $9.95 plus shipping and handling. You'll receive other volumes one at a time, approximately every other month, on the same free examination basis. Keep just the books you want, cancel at any time. And here's something for every home handyman. The Home Toolkit booklet. It comes free with your introductory volume. It's full of tips on what tools you need and how to get the most out of them. Fixing up your home is as easy as this, and this, with Time Life Books Home Repair and Improvement.
Prove it for yourself. Just get the first book.
To order your first book for a 15-day examination, just phone toll-free 1-800-621-8200. That's 1-800-621-8200, or write Plumbing, Time and Life Building, Chicago. That toll-free number again is 1-800-621-8200.
Playboy, the one magazine that brings it all together for you each month. Playboy reflects your appreciation of the total good life. It reflects your good taste in fashion, fun, fiction, and fact. You get first-rate reviews of books, movies, and television shows. Playboy puts you where the action is, in sports, in music, and on the set. Playboy's advisor column lets you share the personal experiences and candid opinions of others, while Playboy's lifestyle pages are packed with insights and tips on how to get the most out of your life. Each month, the Playboy interview uncovers the real person behind the personality. And Playboy's Victorias are often newsmakers in themselves. Every month, Playboy discovers and presents the world's most beautiful women. For the man who wants it all, Playboy brings it all together. Issue after issue after issue. As a subscriber, you're sure to enjoy Playboy each and every month. And right now, you can get 12 big, beautiful issues delivered to you at half the newsstand price. Subscribe to Playboy and start enjoying life to its fullest. To order your subscription, here's all you do.
Just phone toll-free 1-800-228-1300. Call now and get 12 issues of Playboy for only $15.50. You save $15.50 off the $31 newsstand price. Act now, phone toll-free 1-800-228-1300. That's toll-free 1-800-228-1300.